Ago! Amen! We invoke you to be today's celebration of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s legacy.
The performance is a celebration, a remembrance. And whenever we gather together in remembrance of, in this case, Dr. King, we are called into action.
We are at Binghamton University in upstate New York. Our drum and dance ensemble is called Nukbofa. Loosely translated, it means seeing is believing. In many academic institutions, there has been an impetus to try to represent dances, music, theater traditions from different parts of the world. What we're trying to do is to give the students in the music and theater departments at Binghamton University the chance to experience the dances of African heritage, both from the continent of Africa and also from the diaspora in the Caribbean.
I think it is the perfect embodiment of Dr. King's legacy, that idea of having unity without borders.
Unity is essential for SUNY as we advance our educational mission. We all come together to create rich, dynamic, engaging learning environments.
Despite our unity, there sometimes arise conflicts in our communities and even sometimes amongst our families.
We know as human beings we are not perfect. There will always be problems with societies, so we're creating a scene where there's a bit of misunderstanding and then we find a way to resolve the conflict.
I believe that Dr. King embraced unity by telling us to put aside our views of ethnicity and race and be together as a people, unified as one country, as opposed to being separate.
These dances are a call to action to get people to go out of their comfort zone, to break free of the barriers that bind us and that stirs our emotions so that we can take the actions necessary to move forward as a culture, as a society, and as a nation. Dance is a great equalizer. It allows different people to come together of different ages, of different cultural backgrounds, and to express themselves.